On today's episode of Comment Society, we're switching it up. And we got a new buddy. Today we're working on the BMW. Now, my BMW is a 330i G20 2020. Bought it brand new, 7 miles off the lot. It's a beautiful car, I love it, the interior, but there are a few issues that I have with it, and I wanted to do something on a budget. So what we're going to be doing today is essentially installing cold air intake, hopefully getting our plug-in ECU, and also hooking up with a catless downpipe. One of the issues that I've had with my BMW is, while it's a great car, it's a beautiful drive, I absolutely love it, the engine noise is injected so that you can hear it through the speakers. Now what I want to do is hopefully make that sound better from the outside, and also turn it off on the inside so I can actually hear how my engine sounds. It's a big thing for us car geeks to be able to hear our engine noises, so I thought I'd take this opportunity and try to get some true sound out of it. Now, sorry BMW engineering, I know you guys put a lot of work into it, but it just doesn't feel quite right. And I feel like it's the same way when you talk about something like with electric vehicles or anything of the sort where they pump in sounds. Same thing with the BMW i8. So we're pulling up to the garage now, and we'll get started into it real quick. Yeah, it's just upgrading.
Oh.
It's good.
How are the paws?
They're alright. I think they're getting better. I'm hoping he's not licking them. It's hard for me to track them, to keep track of them, you know? So we'll see how that goes.
You know, the other day before you went to the vet, when I grabbed his paws.
Yeah, he's very sensitive with that as well.
Yeah.
There we go.
I thought that's just how dogs are.
I hope I recorded this. Yeah, no, I think it's just because he had stuff on it. Alright, got that out. Nice. Does not fly. Gonna pull it out. Oh my god, this is so difficult.
Say, oh my god, like Sally.
That is crazy, dog. Wow. Oh, wait. The last drip after the glass. Oh my god, I got it. Look at that. in there? There we go. So the cold air intake is actually kind of cracked. What the old one was doing, the stock airbox, it was really containing the sounds of the turbo. I can really hear my turbo spooling, and sometimes I can hear the blowout valve. Altogether, very good mod. I feel a little bit of a power increase, and a lot of choo-choos makes for a good time.